There's no question that software engineering is now a team activity. Modern software is just too complex for a single person to develop by themselves. So being a good software engineer isn't just about having good technical skills. It's knowing how to use those skills effectively when you work as part of a team. These processes combine effort estimation techniques like points and velocity with quick and frequent meetings of different kinds to keep the whole team on the same page as to what's going on. An iteration planning meeting lets the team reach agreement on the likely effort for each user story and divide up the work. You've probably already used a version control system like Git to manage your code, but in this module, you'll learn how teams can use features like branches to work in parallel on different stories without stepping on each other's toes, and how the merging of each code contribution into the main code base represents an opportunity for a code review. Yes, developers are responsible for building and testing their code using BDD and TDD, but code that is correct but difficult to understand and maintain is a technical debt that the team is taking on. Frequent code reviews as part of the code merging process prevent ugly code from becoming part of the final product. And each contribution, when merged, can automatically trigger a run of all of the app's tests in a continuous integration, or CI, environment, so the team knows immediately if a new contribution has caused existing code to break. During this whole process, daily scrums or stand-up meetings make sure that the whole team knows if any developer or if any pair of developers is facing an unexpected obstacle that puts the original effort estimates in jeopardy. And since Agile is about embracing change, each iteration ends with a retrospective meeting discussing what went well and what could have gone better, so that subsequent iterations can learn from the mistakes of the past. An effective Agile team is one in which these processes run like a well-oiled machine. The team gets into a steady rhythm of estimating user story points, using BDD and TDD to work individually or in pairs to deliver those stories, reviewing each contribution as it's merged, and constantly asking how they could do even better on the next iteration. Turing Award winner Fred Brooks Jr. liked to quote Dean Smith, the coach of the men's basketball team at the University of North Carolina. He used to say, "There are no winners on a losing team and no losers on a winning team." Being a valuable software engineer means bringing your talents to bear not only in your own individual work, but as part of your contributions to a smoothly running team. The tools and processes in this module reflect up-to-date best practices in the Agile community for doing exactly that.